Good morning, students. How are you, students? Students, as you know, your SST is going on, and in SST, chapter 13 is going on. Chapter 13, the age of machines. And study we have discussed about some point such as production, mass production, and food for machines. Some about some energy sources such as coal. We have discussed yesterday. Now, student, we have to discuss about mineral water. Not mineral water, student, mineral oil. We have to discuss today about mineral oil. Mineral oil. Students, as you know, we are discussing about machines, means modern technology, modern machinery, about which type from earlier the technology changes in modern era. So we are discussing about all the point, all the thing. In this way, we have to discuss about mineral oil. You know, it is another source of energy found deep under the surface of the earth. It was discovered accidentally in America in 1857. This mineral or crude oil is drilled and refined to get kerosene, petrol, gasoline, diesel and other oil related products. And Daimler, a German scientist, invented an engine which run on petrol. Today we can see a different type vehicles, car, petrol car, diesel car, different type vehicle and huge oil. As we know, the vehicle run by the oil, petrol or diesel, and present time gas. We use gas also, gas car, CNG gas, and it was then developed to be used in motor cars also. With the new invention and innovation, many vehicles running on petrol were introduced. It means slowly improve in the vehicles, and we use today modern vehicle, modern car. And later another German engineer named Rudolf Diesel invented an engine which ran on a variety of mineral, and it was cheaper also than petrol. And on this the name Rudolf Diesel, the oil called diesel also. This oil was called diesel and it was cheaper also. After the name of the engineer, heavy trucks, railway, engine, pump set, etc. run on diesel. The deposit of minerals oil also limited, as we know, the deposit oil, coal. These are limited. The rate at which mineral oil is being consumed all over the world, so that oil reserves soon be exhausted. Means all the oil are sources of energy exhausted. So we have to minimize our usage. We have to conserve these resources. Then we can save for the future generation. Means we have to use when we need, such as open the tap, water flowing all time, wasting of water, and light, fan when we need, then on the switch and use light, fan, etc. We have to conserve the electricity or water. We have to manage. Okay, student, we have to manage all the things. Now electricity. Electricity. As you know, electricity is important source of energy in modern times. Most of it produced from coal, mineral oil, gas, or moving water. The electricity generated from moving water, from flowing water, is called hydroelectricity. And huge dams are built on river. The water thus stored fall fully from a great height. And you produce electricity means we make electricity from water, from flowing water, moving water. So we generate the electricity, and with dams also, through the dam we collect water and we generate electricity. Electricity also comes from the nuclear power plants. And one more important point we have to discuss here, student, the discover of electricity is an interesting story. Means you can think about it that how electricity is invented by scientists. Then the discovery of the electricity is very interesting. A man in the Netherlands developed a toy called Leyden jar, and the toy had two wires. So student, the toy, we are talking about electricity. The toy had two wires, one in glass and the other outside it. On joining the two wires, some spark were produced. Sometimes it also produced a mild shock. You know, student, this said an American scientist Benjamin Franklin thinking. He also observed about the electricity, about the lighting in the sky, how the lighting spark in sky, and tried an experiment to find out if there was any similarity between the two. He prepared a paper kite. And when there was a thunder and lightning in the sky, he flew his kite high into the sky. And he had also attached a piece of wire to his kite and a piece of metal at the other end of the thread. The moment there was a flash of lightning, he touched the metal piece and felt a shock. This confirmed that the spark in the Leyden jar and lightning in the sky were similar. Means slowly the scientists experiment about the different things and search the electricity. They search electricity. Means they try more and search the electricity. And in this way, student, we have to also understood about realization of the electricity was a great source of energy and could be put to good use. So students, as I told to you about the using of the electricity, what is the correct time of the using light, fan and extra thing, means how can we save the electricity. So we have to save electricity and we have to save for the future. And generally you can say today we can't think of the life without electricity. And you can also find out at your home which things run through the electricity and how which type use electricity, what is the use of electricity. About all the things we have to understood about electricity. So small children don't touch the wire or switch anything. Means you have to also save about you from electricity. Your next topic is new sources of energy. New sources of energy. What is the new source of energy? Means from which new technology we can serve the energy and different type energetic things. You know, student, with the increase in the population, our sources of energy like coal, oil, gas, etc. are getting exhausted very fast. Means that as we know, these are exhaustible, not forever, such as coal, oil, gas are getting exhausted very fast. Scientists also are trying to find other sources of energy. Scientists also think about the sources of energy because you know the different energy is exhaustible. So that will last forever and will not damage our environment. These are called the renewable source of energy, renewable sources of energy. Which type? Such as solar energy. Which type? New sources, solar energy. Today you should know about solar energy. Solar energy is environment friendly, but the drawback of the solar energy, it is a very costly. Solar energy is very costly, but it is environment friendly, pollution free. In a windmill, one more windmill. Mostly found in a coastal area, windmill. In a windmill, the power of wind is used as a source of energy. You can see in the picture also about a windmill, solar energy and the Bhabhad atomic energy plant, and in rural area you can see gobar gas plant also. Gobar gas, mostly gobar gas plant found in rural areas. Clear, student? So windmill, the power of the wind is used as a source of energy. These sources of energy will never get exhausted. They, solar energy, windmill, these type of sources of energy will never get exhausted. They are also better because they do not pollute the atmosphere. As I told, these are environment friendly and never exhausted and pollution free also. In village area, people use cow dung to generate energy. Which type energy? Cow dung energy. Gobar gas plants are becoming popular in village to generate energy. Why this gobar gas plant are located in village area? Because people found easily cow dung. And with this gobar gas plant generate energy for lighting, cooking and other purpose. Means you can use from gobar gas plant light, cooking and other purpose also. The atomic energy or nuclear energy is also being used to produce electricity and to run machine. Atomic energy also we use to save the energy, to save the coal, oil. We use atomic energy, nuclear energy and also being used to produce electricity and run machine. Students, as you know, in modern time we are getting a different type technology and our scientists also are searching a different type things. They try more and more for the different technique, generating a source, producing a source, how people get and which type energy people can take and it does not create a pollution. A different type source of energy searched by scientists and in rural area also people use a different type things and we are very sincere people and we generate a different things but we have to save the energy. If student when we will go in another classes, higher classes, then you can find out about the saving, conservation of the energy, and we present time we conserve the energy for the future generation. Means it will be helpful for the future generation. Okay, student. In this way, your chapter, the age of machines, has been finished, and student, in the next class we will do exercise, question answer and etc. Now student, it's time to homework. You have to note down your homework and one time again you have to revise your chapter, all the point. And right now note down your homework. Student, note down homework. How was searched electricity Second, who searched diesel. Who searched diesel. Note down third homework. Who was Benjamin Franklin? Who was Benjamin Franklin? First homework, how was served electricity? Second, who served diesel? And third homework, who was Benjamin Franklin? Student, note down your homework. Have you noted, student? Have you noted your homework? Good. So students, as you know, this chapter, the age of machines has been finished, and exercise we will do in the next class. And you have to also do exercise by yourself. And as you know, only question answer you have to write on SST copy, and all the exercise means take the correct option, fill in the blank, true, false. All the exercise you have to do in book. You have not to do in copy. Clear, student? And so thank you for the day, students, and we will meet again in the next class. Have a good day.